Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. This is Tiffany from T Donor and Associates, and I help busy entrepreneurs make business easier. And one way I do that is by helping you clean up your inbox. And the number one tool that I share with everyone is unroll.me. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. This is a very plain website they have here, but I'm telling you, you will love it. And right there, clean up your inbox. So you just go to unroll.me, and that's their website. I'm going to go ahead and go over to my sample email address here and show you. I have a whole bunch of emails in here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Enroll Me, and I'm going to get started now. Very easily walk you through how you sign up for your Unroll Me, and you can use as you see here, Google, Yahoo, Outlook, and AOL. They don't work with all email providers, but they do work with some, so you can try if you're not in one of those. I'm going to go ahead and sign up. I'm going to agree to the terms, and it's going to take me over to Google, and I'm going to go ahead and pick the right email address, hit allow, and it's going to do a little magic behind the scenes. And it's not working. Uh-oh, let's try again. So it's going to tell us a little bit of what it does. And it unrolls, it rolls up, and it keeps things in your inbox. So here we go. It said they found 4 subscriptions. So I'm going to hit start editing. So right here, you'll notice that I've blurred out the emails because I don't want you to see all of the emails that I'm messing with right now. But basically, this is what Unroll Me does. So Unroll Me shows you all of the emails that have come through that you can use with this system. I will give you a little side note. Not every single email that you sign up for, so everything that you give your email address to, not all of those will work with Unroll Me, but I would say probably like 80 to 90% of your emails will. So what you just do is you go through the list and it'll ask you add it to roll up, keep it in your inbox, or unsubscribe. And all you have to do is pick one of these 3 options. So let's say I want to add this one. I'm going to keep this one in the inbox. I'm going to add this one to the roll up, and I'm going to keep this one in the inbox, and I'm going to unsubscribe from this one. And I've done all of the subscriptions that it currently has. You can click continue, and it's going to ask you if you want to share. You don't have to share. And then basically you're done. And all you have to do now is decide when you want to get your roll up emails, morning, afternoon, or evening. I'm just going to pick afternoon, and I'm going to hit finish. And then you're all done. You're done with everything. If you had a roll up, it would show here. But I'm going to go ahead and show you what your roll up would look like in one of my other emails. Okay, so here is what your Unroll Me daily email, which is called your daily roll up, will look like when you get an email and you have a lot of them. So this is one of my other email addresses that I use to show different things. And this is basically what my roll up looks like. The first thing you'll see is they found 4 new subscriptions in the inbox that I could roll up. All I would have to do is click on this link. It would take me back to the Unroll Me website, and I can decide if I want to keep them in my inbox, add them to the roll up, or unsubscribe from them. And then all I have to do is scroll down, and it's basically taken all the emails that I get that I've rolled up, and it puts them in this email that I'll get once a day. So I have like every little square here is an email. So if I click on this shoe carnival, it's going to open it up in Unroll Me, and it'll show me what it looks like and the full email details, and I can review it and read it and blah blah blah. I can unsubscribe from it, or I can stop rolling it up so it'll go back into my inbox, and then I can hit the arrows to look through all of the emails as well. And you can also view everything on the website as well if you want to scroll through that instead of looking at the email. But just to show you, this is what the email looks like depending on how many emails you get every single day. There could be lots of information here. Sometimes there could be only a couple, on the weekends it's going to be less. And obviously as many emails that you've signed up for and put in your enroll me and subscribe to. Now, the other thing I did want to mention is that when you do set this up, it will create a label in your inbox that says enroll me. So if I click on this, every single email that is in my enroll me every single day will actually go into your inbox still. So you will have to go in and clean this out, I would say every couple months, just to get rid of everything. It also gives you a chance to decide maybe there's other things you need to unsubscribe from if you're never looking at this. So right now, this inbox has over 1,000 emails that I've been getting through Enroll Me, and it's probably just from the last couple of months. So all I would do is select them all and go ahead and delete them and hit the little delete button. I can select all. Let me do that again. If I select all, I can select all 1,000 of them and hit the delete button, and it will delete all of them. So they're all completely gone from my inbox. Now, if you do want to save your Unroll Me emails, you can go ahead and save them all in there. And then that way you can always go back and search for them in your Gmail in the main inbox, or even just go in under the label. I don't need any of those. If it was something I actually wanted to keep and look at regularly, I would have it in one of my labels that I have over here to the left-hand side of the screen. And I'm going to go into how we label our inbox and organize that in another video, so stay tuned. But I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to use Enroll Me, and you'll go ahead and sign up for it for yourself and keep your inbox a little cleaner. All right, thank you so much. Have a great day. And this is Tiffany from T Donor and Associates, helping busy entrepreneurs like you make business easier.